All right, April 11th, Friday, I think it is, 2025. We're still in a Suburban water heater. We're going to do it in little bites at a time, little videos. I'm getting ready to clean out the burner chamber area, all right? Wait till you see this mess. Here we go. All right. Of course, I'm Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Can you see in there? Do you see that big rust pile? Let's see if I can get a better angle. I know some of you are going to complain about me moving around. And then we can go this way. I don't think you need to see it better. You see it right there, all that rust. All right, now go get it from a different angle. There you go, look at that. So I'm going to blow it out. So I got that right there, long rod. Just like the same that you blow out with about 40 psi or water, you clean the inside of your steel tank. Well, this is rusted pretty bad, so I'm gonna hold it. My compressor just went off. I'm gonna try not to get full of this stuff. There, I'm gonna keep it polite here. There we go. Remember I got the gas tube out. Where's it at? Right there. That stuff going up in there. I had to take it out anyway to get the heating element out. Right there, so that's in. All right, let's have some fun, folks. Blow this out. Here we go. Lord. Look at that. We ain't even done yet. Good Lord, look at that. I think I got it in my shoes. All right, the other thing is I'm going to take the igniter off. It's rusted, so I got to soak it a little bit, okay? And I'm going to clean up that rod because it's pretty corroded too. And the gap is more than a 1/4 inch right there. All right, folks, real quick video. Now this exhaust is over here, okay? And you still do the same thing, but I could have took this cover off, but that's dealing with a lot of rust and I ain't doing that, all right? I just blow it out because the tube's right there, all right? That would it actually swirls through the tank. It goes up and around and out, so, all right. Thank you very much. This is a Suburban water heater. Test, not guess is the motto. You should know it by now because test, 1S, equals $1. Guess, 2 S's equals $2. So which one you want to do? Test, learn your stuff, keep your RV up, save yourself thousands of dollars a year so you can go camping more. You know, less aggravation, preventive maintenance. Folks, this was preventive maintenance. This should have been done, Lord have mercy. Anyway, thank you very much. Safe travels and may your campfires burn bright.